promised I'd film myself cutting my hair. I just took a shower. Oh, it's dripping. And this is my hair. It has conditioner in it because this is the easiest way to cut hair, is when it's wet and with conditioner, in my opinion. So this is my hair. This is how long it is from the back. I hope you can see that. I don't know if it's in focus, but that's my hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm gonna start by cleaning up my middle part. I don't cut my hair in a side part because I still enjoy, I know everyone's gonna be cringing, but I'm combing my hair with a fine tooth comb. Oh, my hair is already detangled, so don't worry about that. I brushed through it with a paddle brush. That's why my hair is very, very detangled. You need to detangle your hair, otherwise you're gonna get a very uneven cut. So what you're gonna need is like a brush and a fine tooth comb, because you need to, I'll show you, but you need to slick your hair back to cut it. And then you're gonna need a pair of hair cutting shears. I bought these professional hair cutting shears from a drugstore. They were actually quite expensive, but it was a good investment. And make sure you never use your hair cutting shears for anything else. Literally never use them for anything else, only for cutting hair. Otherwise, when you cut your hair, the hair cutting shears are really sharp. They're sharp enough to cut your skin. And if you use your hair cutting shears to cut other stuff, they're going to become blunt. And when you slice through your strand of hair, you could be causing split ends because the scissors are not sharp enough. So yeah, I'm gonna section my hair into 3 sections, 2 here and 1 at the back, because what I'm going for is like a blunt bob type of look. So I'm gonna do from ear to ear and make sure it's really straight. And I swear you guys, like, cutting your hair by yourself is like it's a task. First of all, cutting curly hair, you need to take a lot of things into account. Now, the reason why I cut my hair wet is because I know my curl pattern. I'm just gonna brush through the back. Yeah, I know my curl pattern quite well, and the back of my hair is the loosest, and then actually the front of my hair has the loosest curl pattern, and then the back is more like ringlet curls. So the curl pattern is really loose, but the back of my hair shrinks up the most. So there's that. And then the crown of my head is the coarsest. So at the crown of my head I have the coarsest strands. So the hair strands are not thin, and they're really hard to define, but it doesn't shrink up that much. So I can cut my hair blunt, and when it dries it looks like it has layers. I forgot to explain what I'm doing. I'm brushing all my hair straight back to prepare to slick it into a super tight ponytail back there. I'm just gonna run over. I'm holding the back into a ponytail, as you can hopefully see. I'm just like smoothing everything into this ponytail and trying to kind of comb through it with my fingers. And then I'm gonna take my fine tooth comb and just like run through the top part to make sure there's no bumps and lumps, because I really want like a straight cut. I mean, I'll go in and fix. Yeah, the thing about cutting curly hair is you'll always have like these 1 or 2 clumps of hair that are kind of sticking out, especially if you cut it while it's like this. And I'm not gonna cut my hair straight. That's because I like working on wet hair. It's easier to manage. I'm basically tying the ponytail now, and tie it really tight and make sure it's at the center. Okay. And then just pull. So I think that's pretty sleek. I mean, I can't see what's going on back there, but I'm just feeling with my hands. the good thing about curly hair is that you have room for making mistakes. I mean, your hair is gonna curl up when you're done, so it's easier for you to make mistakes and fix them later. I'm just gonna brush out the ponytail because, yeah, it's gotten a bit tangly. And I'm not cutting like my hair to literally my neck. That would be disastrous because shrinkage. Yeah, but my hair gets nice and defined or whatever when I do this. So yeah, this is the part that takes the longest. So this is my ponytail. Hopefully it's sleek and straight, and at the center I'm kind of measuring with my middle part. So I'm running my fingers along and checking if my ponytail runs along that line, which it feels like it does. Confirming my ear-to-ear parts are straight before I make any type of decisions. Okay. I'm gonna get some small rubber bands here. And I'm just gonna use these as my cutting markers or whatever. So I'm tying this beneath the first ponytail. I wonder if I can wrap it around twice, because it really needs to like pull. No, I don't think I can do that. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna take both hands and start sliding. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna slide this down until the length I feel I want to cut. And that looks kind of good. And you can always cut your hair shorter, but you can never take back what you cut, so I think that's okay. I'm measuring with, you see there's a bone here, it's kind of at your spine, so I'm measuring with that and making sure that my hair or the hair band is following that, which it is. And then without moving the hair band, I'm gonna just make the first cut. I'm just gonna pinch the hair between my hands and just go for it. This is kind of cute or whatever, see? Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so here's the plan. Now the back is cut. Let me just show you. It's kind of like, I don't know, it feels good. I'll check later, whatever, don't care. Anyway, so the plan is I want the front to be longer. So what I'm going to do, let me turn to the side and show you. You see how this is curling up like this? It's because this part of my hair has a tighter curl pattern than the bottom. So even though all the hair is straight when I pull it down, when I let go and let it shrink up, it kind of gives itself this curved shape. And that's why I cut my hair like this, because I know how my hair behaves. I know that this top part is a tighter texture. So even if I cut my hair blunt, it's always going to taper in this way. But, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I was explaining, I want the front to be longer. So I'm gonna cut in this angle from here so that it kind of comes down this way, because I want to have like this A-line bob or whatever. So what I'm gonna do, and this is the part where my mom's skills and YouTube videos come in handy, I'm gonna grab this section of hair, so one section from the back, right? And I'm gonna use it as a guideline for the front. So I'm just gonna quickly tie away the back of my hair. And then I'm just gonna brush this down. Now you can see my little baby hairs are doing their thing. And then I'm gonna take my guide, and I'm holding it kind of separated from the rest. And then I'm gonna brush it together. And this is the important part, because this is the part that really matters. But anyway, you see the small hairs curling up, that doesn't matter because, yeah. So I'm taking this and I'm slanting my fingers. Okay, let me just do that again. I think I'm gonna need to use the fine tooth comb now, because this is the part that really matters. So, there, I've angled my hands like this, and you can see the guideline is popping back up, which is how I know that I've reached the length that I want. So my fingers are slanting down, which means the front is going to be longer. And I guess I'm just gonna go in and just watch your fingers. I'm trying to do this over the sink so that it's easier to pick up the hairs afterwards. Cool. That's it then. Let's see. You can see the front is always kind of shorter than the back. There. You can see that it's not really... Oh, there's a little... I missed a little bit. Cool. See guys? There's nothing to think too hard about here. Just slice your hair off. Oh, guys. Okay, but anyway, when I hold it straight like this, you can see that these pieces are longer. Like, they extend further. When I pull it, it kind of releases the curls one at a time as it comes forward, which means that the front is longer than the back. And then I'm gonna just repeat what I just did on the other side. I don't know if anyone cares, but that's the hair from the front. And I'm making a mess now. I'm just like throwing hair everywhere. I'm feeling this look or whatever. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna style my hair. Well, I need to get dressed as well because I'm supposed to be. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. To everyone who suggested that I should cut my hair into a long bob, I am so sorry, but damn. I guess I kind of took a bit of everything because it's short at the back and long at the front. I'm also gonna straighten my hair to check if it's even and then fix it up from there. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with this cut and how it came out and all that good stuff. So thank you, and I'll see you on my Instagram pages. Bye. Love you.